thejbeans.net.
If you're in or around Orlando, Florida, before or after your cruise, or you're otherwise in the area, WonderWorks is an indoor family entertainment complex that features over 100 hands-on exhibits and attractions, including science exhibits, motion simulators, a ropes course, laser tag, an arcade, and more. In this video, we'll provide an overview of our summer 2021 visit to WonderWorks Orlando, when we were invited to check out everything they have to offer. Before visiting WonderWorks Orlando, we recommend taking a look at their website, which we've linked in the description below, to get current information about attraction costs and bundle pricing, promotions, height and weight restrictions, and parking. During our visit, we parked in the nearby Point Orlando parking garage for an additional fee, because most of the other nearby parking lots were reserved for other businesses. It's hard to miss WonderWorks' upside-down building if you're traveling Orlando's International Drive. According to the origin story on their website, this once top-secret laboratory was originally located in the Bermuda Triangle. However, an experiment gone wrong lifted the laboratory and carried it all the way to International Drive, where it landed upside down. When we entered the lobby of the building, we found the upside-down theme continued, with the ground above our head and the ceiling under our feet. It wasn't until we passed through an inversion tunnel that we were realigned to be right side up to start our adventure. Most of the exhibits and attractions at WonderWorks are covered with the price of admission, and some of our favorites included playing with and directing lightning from a Tesla coil, learning that Daddy Bean can keep his hand in icy cold water the longest, Jelly Bean beating us in the chairlift thanks to the power of pulleys, nearly getting blown over by hurricane-force winds in the hurricane simulator, Daddy Bean fearlessly lying down on a bed of nails, breaking our brains with optical illusions, making large bubbles in the Bubble Lab, finding our inner Tom Hanks and Robert Loggia from the movie Big and playing music on a giant piano with our feet, terraforming with an interactive sandbox, playing multiple complimentary arcade games, such as the snowboarding game Jelly Bean enjoyed, braving the glow-in-the-dark multi-level ropes course, playing a competitive game of laser tag with other visitors, and riding the 4D XD motion theater simulator. We really enjoyed how WonderWorks Orlando incorporated things our family loves, like science, music, art, video games, and sports, into hands-on educational exhibits. With a kid who wants to try everything, our time at WonderWorks was a great way to beat the heat and experience a wide variety of activities in a single location. In addition to all the exhibits and attractions, WonderWorks Orlando also has a traditional fee-based arcade where you can win tickets to redeem for prizes. 2 snack bars. Restrooms. A gift shop. And a comedy dinner show.